In this video, we will learn how to get rid of Temu ads. Follow these steps. First, upgrade to the Temu plan. This plan offers a premium subscription that removes all the ads. If you're looking for an option in the Apple website settings, purchase the premium version for an ad-free experience. Opt out of any personalized ads. Go to the settings in the Temu website. Look for the ad preferences or similar options, where you can opt out of personalized ads. While this won't remove all the ads, it will limit the targeting nature of them and disable the notifications. If ads are appearing as notifications on your home phone settings, find Temu in your app notifications list. Then, turn off push notifications or use an ad blocker on your mobile device or computer. After that, consider using a browser extension or an ad blocker to reduce the pop-up ads. This may help reduce the number of ads while browsing the site, though it may not be effective. Also, you can skip ads in the app if you see them. Make sure to look for the skip button or close at the end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.